All right, so here we are on claim number 3651T088P, August 7th, 2023, 1:25 p.m. Currently 83 degrees. I'm going to show you real quick. None of the granules are falling off of this, if you see here. Okay, and here's our test. We'll come back to this later and look at that. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to remove this shingle, we're gonna have to get the nails out from here, along with the nails out above it on this shingle. So we'll get started with, go ahead and unseal these. Hey, that was sealed pretty good, huh? All right, so then go ahead and unseal here. One thing to note, none of these are delaminating, so the tabs are not. That one is. Oh, check these. Okay, so none of these, this one here and this one here are both delaminated. We'll see if they get any worse throughout the process. Let's go ahead and start here. We'll say that this one here just delaminated as well. Remember, this one already was, but you can see the debris coming out from underneath it. So obviously it's been like that. So now what we're gonna need to do is get the nails out of here. Alrighty. Go ahead and pull this one out here. Not bad. So go ahead. You can see all the debris in between the shingles from that wind that day. So here's the replacement shingle. Actually, a bit too wide. All right. So I get this back in there. Okay, got those all in. Now, thing we'll want to do here is take a look at everything, see what we have going on. So remember these two here had debris under them right here. Those don't count as delamination, but now I've got this one, that one's still good, that one's still good, that one. This one and this one, all that have delamination. And if you come in here and look, right here's a crease on it, got made there. And then let's see what else we have. Obviously the delamination. These tabs are all failing. And if you look, you got granule loss. Not real bad, to be honest. The granule loss isn't too bad, but due to you got creasing, you got delamination all over it. So when we go to try to fix this one, we actually damage the two above it. Well, 1, 2, 3 above it. So due to this, we're asking for a new roof.